This is how you can use Vaseline petroleum jelly and Colgate toothpaste to get a glowing skin. So if you have pimples, blackheads, black spots, acne, wrinkles, and you'd like to get a brighter skin, my dear, try out this home recipe. Get white toothpaste. You can use Colgate toothpaste so long as it's white in color, and get yourself Vaseline petroleum jelly. So you need just a little spoon of Vaseline petroleum jelly, okay, like this one is enough. Get for me toothpaste. I recommend you to use Colgate toothpaste, which is white in color. You can use any type of toothpaste which is white in color, but I recommend you to use Colgate toothpaste, okay. From that, you're going to add a little bit, okay, like this one, just a little bit, little bit of toothpaste. From that, mix very well, guys. You mix very well. But before I proceed, please leave the name of your country, okay? Leave a comment in the comment section, and of course, subscribe if you have never subscribed, as usual, guys. As you see, our recipe is ready. And by the way, before I proceed, this is what I use at home. This is what I use on my skin. Just apply it a little bit on your face, like this. The entire face, just a little bit, okay? Leave it there on your face 2 to 5 minutes. From that, use normal water to clean your face. Repeat the procedure at least 2 to 3 days in the week. Trust me, this is a powerful home recipe for a glowing skin. This is what I use on my skin. I love you so much. May God bless you. Bye-bye. See you again. I'm in Uganda.